majestic and glorious mountains, the rivers running by, the sunset with radiant colors that fills the evening sky. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord